Looking for the best indoor scoreboards? In this video we look at some of the top 3 indoor scoreboards on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check out to see which is in your budget range. At number 3. Sportable Scoreboards, Multisport Indoor Tabletop Scoreboard. Pros: uses red, green, and yellow numbers to make it easy to distinguish the information. Each number is 4 inches in height. Clock can count up or down from 99.99, while the board tracks score up to 199 points. Has a loud horn. Only weighs 11.3 pounds, so you can store it easily or carry it to any game location. Cons: smaller than other digital boards at just 15 inches by 22 inches. No option to run from batteries. Bottom line: solidly built scoreboard that's offered at a reasonable price versus some other electronic indoor scoreboards. At number 2. Crown Sporting Goods, Portable Tabletop Scoreboard. Pros: simple design that anyone can operate. Doesn't need an electrical power source, so it can be used anywhere. Very inexpensive, especially compared to electronic boards. Clear numbers against a white background are easy to read from a distance. Flattens to less than 1 inch in thickness for easy storage and transport. Cons: can't match the features found with electronic scoreboards, like timekeeping and a buzzer. Bottom line: when you need to save money on your scoreboard, this non-digital board is simply designed, but perfect for indoor use. At number 1. BSN MacGregor, Multisport Indoor Scoreboard. Pros: lightweight scoreboard at £13, easy to carry and store. Numbers are large enough to be seen from a distance. Includes a battery backup system when an electrical outlet is not nearby. Works well for almost any indoor sport. Can keep time up or down from 99.99 and scores up to 199 points. Cons: will be a little small for some situations and games at just 16 inches by 24 inches. Bottom line: high quality scoreboard made for indoor use for multiple sports. Includes a convenient remote control. To buy or check price, click link in description. Please like and subscribe our channel for more products reviews.